This is the AiTechny 1080p mini spy camera. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the user manual. They give you a microSD card with standard SD card adapter, 32 gigabyte. The device will support up to a 32 gigabyte card, so you have everything you need here. Cable to recharge the unit is USB to micro USB right there. They give you a little clip for it, and here is the camera. That's it. Just that little, almost like a die. Really small, less than an inch square. So I have the clip on there. You can kind of clip that on a shirt if you want. I have the microSD card inserted in there, and on the front is the lens and a microphone. This does have motion detection, which you can turn on if you'd like, and that way when it senses motion it will go ahead and record. Otherwise you can set it up to just record straight out like that. Also has night vision mode, which you can turn on ahead of time, so that way if it's dark in the room you can still, or the camera can still see what's going on in there. Battery in here will last about 2 hours on a charge. You can leave it plugged into any sort of power bank or one of these little plug-in jobbies like that, using the USB cable that's included with it, and it'll just go ahead and record. So really nice small camera. You can put it anywhere. You can take the clip off and just leave it. Nobody will even notice it, just a tiny little thing like that. I'm going to go ahead and record some test footage with this, and we'll insert that into the video here. I'm now recording with the AiTechny spy camera. Beautiful day out. Nice day to be sitting by the pool. Here is now some test footage with the infrared on. I didn't have the best of luck with it, but you can see the reflection in my regular camera that is actually on. I think I was just too far away from it, although I wasn't really that far. So unless somebody is very close to it, I wouldn't expect much from the infrared, but it is nice that it has it. And now with the infrared on, let's see. That looks good. I think I'll take one of those. So once again, this was the AiTechny 1080p mini spy camera. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.